Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Israel Plug Adapter is probably one of the most essential travel gadgets you can pack for your trip to the Holy Land, ensuring you can keep all your electronic devices powered up and ready to go, from your smartphone and camera to your laptop and travel hairdryer, so you never miss a moment or a crucial work update while exploring the vibrant culture and historical sites of Israel. Number 5. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter Converter with 2 USB. Never worry about charging your devices again when traveling through Europe. This adapter is your perfect companion for international trips. This compact device transforms a single European outlet into multiple charging options. It features 2 USB ports and 2 standard outlets, allowing you to power up to 4 devices simultaneously. Equipped with 2 USB ports, it intelligently detects your devices and delivers optimal charging speeds of up to 2.48 per port. Keep all your essential gadgets powered up on your EU journey. Designed for travelers, its lightweight and portable size fits easily into any bag without taking up precious space. It's also cruise ship approved, so you can use it on your next voyage. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of European countries, including popular destinations like France, Spain, and Italy. It works with dual voltage devices, ensuring your electronics are ready to go. Please note that this adapter is designed for dual voltage devices ranging from 100V to 250V. For high-power appliances like hair dryers or shavers, ensure they support dual voltage or use a separate voltage converter. What we like. This adapter is perfect for charging multiple devices simultaneously. If you need to power up your phone, tablet, and other gadgets all at once, this is the ideal choice. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack, and it's even cruise ship approved, so you can use it on your next vacation without any worries. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry. It has multiple universal sockets that can accommodate various plug types. The adapter feels sturdy and well-made, suggesting good durability. Number 4. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter with 2 USB. Heading to Europe? Make sure you can power all your devices. This adapter is your perfect travel companion. This adapter is compatible with most European countries, ensuring you stay connected wherever your journey takes you. Please note it's not suitable for the UK or Ireland. Never worry about running out of outlets again. It converts one European Type-C socket into an American outlet and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. Equipped with 2 USB ports, it intelligently detects your devices and delivers optimal charging speeds of up to 2.48 per port. It's perfect for your phone, tablet, and other essential gadgets. Designed with travelers in mind, its lightweight and compact form factor easily fits into your pocket or bag, saving valuable space. It's also cruise ship approved. Remember, this adapter works with devices that support 100V to 250V wide voltage. For high-power appliances like hair dryers, ensure they are wide voltage compatible or use a voltage converter. What we like. Get more bang for your buck with this 2-pack adapter set. It allows you to charge up to 3 devices at a time, making it convenient for couples or those who travel with a companion. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to keep your essential electronics powered, this is a great option. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has a universal design that fits most outlets, which is very convenient. The adapter feels sturdy and well-made, suggesting good durability. Number 3. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter 250W Voltage Converter. Introducing the BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter, your reliable solution for international power needs. It efficiently converts voltage from 100-240V down to 110V, ensuring compatibility with your American appliances. Experience superior performance with our patented technology, offering up to 92% conversion rate. This is significantly higher than other converters, providing optimal power for your devices. This converter is ideal for powering your travel essentials like curling irons, hair straighteners, and electric toothbrushes. Please ensure your devices support dual voltage for best results. Rest assured with BESTEK, the only ETL-certified brand in the converter market. It features comprehensive safety protections including overcurrent, overload, overheat, and short-circuit safeguards. With 4 USB ports and 3 AC sockets, this device allows you to charge up to 7 devices at once. It's designed to meet all your international travel charging requirements. Travel the globe with confidence thanks to its worldwide plug adapter supporting over 150 countries. It includes EU, UK, US, and AU plugs, making it perfect for any destination. Its compact size and detachable power cable make it incredibly easy to pack and carry. Take reliable power with you wherever your adventures lead. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for powering your American appliances abroad. If you need to convert voltage and charge multiple devices, including high-power items like hair straighteners, this converter is a must-have. Its ETL certification and multiple safety protections offer peace of mind, making it ideal for serious travelers. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry. It has a sturdy build quality and feels durable, ensuring it can withstand regular use. The adapter provides multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. Number 2. ALLWEI International Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. This patented device allows you to use your favorite hair straighteners and curling irons up to 230W in countries with 220V power. It's perfect for a wide range of appliances, ensuring you can stay stylish anywhere. With 1 US power cable and 5 international adapters, this converter works in over 150 countries. It efficiently converts 222/40V to 110/120V, making your American electronics usable worldwide. Please note that this converter is designed for devices up to 230W and is not suitable for high-power items like hair dryers. Always ensure your connected devices do not exceed this limit for safe operation. Safety is paramount. This converter features automatic shutdown for surge protection, overheating, and overcurrent issues. Its silent fan ensures a peaceful environment, even while it's working hard. Using it in the USA is simple, just plug in your device. When traveling abroad, attach the appropriate adapter. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an effortless addition to your luggage. This package includes the universal travel adapter, a detachable US power cable, 5 international adapters, a storage bag, and a user manual. You also get an 18-month warranty for peace of mind. What we like. Specifically designed for your styling tools, this converter is perfect for travelers who rely on hair straighteners or curling irons. If you're concerned about damaging your high-wattage hair appliances in countries with different voltage, this is the adapter you need. It ensures your favorite styling tools work safely and effectively wherever you go. What people say. The adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It fits snugly into the outlet and holds devices securely. The universal design accommodates various plug types, which is very convenient. Number 1. TESSAN All-European UK Travel Plug Adapter Kit. Never worry about charging your devices again. This versatile adapter kit covers over 150 countries, ensuring you have power wherever your travels take you. With interchangeable type C, G, and EF plugs, it's perfect for Europe, the UK, Ireland, and many other destinations. Simply swap the plug to match your location. Power up to 6 devices simultaneously. It features 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a USB-C, ideal for all your essential electronics. Designed for travelers, it's easy to disassemble, reassemble, and carry. Its lightweight and compact form fits effortlessly into your backpack or briefcase. Please note that this adapter is compatible with wide voltage devices, 100-250V. For single voltage appliances like hair dryers, a voltage converter is required. With a high capacity of up to 3,750 watts, it's an essential companion for travelers, business professionals, and students, suitable for hotels, dorms, and more. What we like. Experience true global versatility with this all-in-one adapter kit. If you frequently travel to various countries with different plug types, the detachable and interchangeable plugs make it incredibly convenient. With USB-C charging capabilities, it's the perfect companion for modern travelers who need to power a wide range of devices. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry. It fits snugly into outlets and provides a secure connection for devices. The adapter allows for charging multiple devices simultaneously, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.